Hello, my friends. Lorrie here. Welcome to my world. Once again, I'm back with a Survival Seeds 2025 update on the garden. Let's see what I got going on, and then I'll come back at the end and we'll chat a little bit. Thanks for coming. And here, as you can see, I am watering my plants. So all of my starts, I actually have to pull them down from the shelf and bring them down here. And so I sit them into a tub of water and let them soak up the water. And then I rotate them around and I'll pull everything down every couple of days and take a look, see whether it needs water or not. And yeah, these are all my peppers. So these are my sweet peppers. These are my Survival Seeds peppers. These are my banana peppers. And this is called a Jams Peach. This one here is called a Jams Peach. And it's supposed to be super, super, super hot. Like ghost pepper hot kind of thing. So I don't know, I'm just growing one plant just to see what's going to go on with that. And none of my jalapenos came up, so I guess I'm not growing jalapenos this year. Not sure how well you can see that, but this is my little hyssop seeds that are starting to sprout finally, and I'm finally starting to see something in my feverfew as well. So what I'm going to do now that they've sprouted is, like, I'm not even going to try and take them off of the paper towel. I've got these, they're short, they're about 2 inches deep or so. They're actually bonsai pots that I bought for Dave years ago that he never used. And I'm just going to lay my paper towel down on top of this dirt and then sprinkle it, cover it with a little bit of dirt, and make sure I water it, and we'll see what happens. Here we have, this is my cabbage. And I got a tomato back there. Look at how huge it's getting. Look at how huge that tomato's getting. It's getting giant. Here's one of my pumpkins. Getting flowers on it. None of them are females, so I'm going to let them go ahead and go. If I do get any females, I'll pull those off. There's another tomato. Here's my celery. Back here is my turmeric. It's not doing anything. I don't know. I might just take those out and put them somewhere else and do whatever with them. And then here's my moringa. And it has come back. I'm super excited about that. It's pretty happy, I guess. Up here I have another tomato. Another Roma. This one here, you can see in this bucket that it's got some room here to put some more dirt in. So I will eventually be cutting off all these leaves and tucking this down and around and into the dirt to make it have more roots. But right now it's just sitting there growing. There's my orange trees. It's the end of February 2025, and this is what my garden looks like. It's quite a mess. Let's get a little closer. Here I have garlic, and it's coming up nicely. You can see it all along there. Anything else is just weeds. This was amaranth, but it's dead now. And it'll be pulled out. Something coming up, don't know what it is, some kind of weed. Chamomile. chamomile is just looking fine. Just hanging out there. Nothing in here. Oh, I've got some onions. Those are some Egyptian walking onions that have made it through the year. Here in my strawberry bed, just starting to show a little bit of green in there. So you can see everything's pretty much a mess, but you know, it is what it is. Apparently you're supposed to leave it for the bugs. So here's my asparagus from last year. The last few fronds, and whatever weed that is back there, I have no idea, but it's everywhere. More mess. Oh, there's some more onions. Those are some of my Walla Walla onions from last year's survival seeds. And I'll be at least letting one of them go to flower. And I'll be pulling the seeds from those. What else? Oh, I think these are these onions or garlic? Oh, let's break one and garlic. These are little garlics. So, speaking of survival seeds, here's my lemon balm, all coming back, all lovely. Got some old stuff I'll have to come in here and cut out, but my lemon balm is looking good. And in here, there's some Egyptian walking onions. And apparently I missed a few cloves last year, because there's also a bunch of garlic in here. Oh well. Can't have too much garlic, right? And here's my oregano. And again, I'm not cleaning anything up yet until it's consistently over 50 degrees. But you can see, if you look down in there, you can see all of the oregano is coming back. So that is another survival seed. And once I come out here and cut all this dead stuff off from last year, we'll be good to go. There's my lamb's ear starting to pop up again. Rosemary looks good. Lavender looks good. Thyme looks good. Sage is looking a little sad. But you can see it lost a lot of its leaf and stuff down there. I'll probably come out here and cut this back, but not yet. Not yet. Smells so good. What's this? So this is my catnip. And it apparently is going to come back too. So that is fabulous. And that's it. Not a lot going on. It's only February. Haven't planted anything outside. Just got the perennials out here. So that's my garden. Now in here, I just have my lettuce. I have some fennel and some parsley and some bok choy. And then on this side over here, I put a little tiny Tim tomato, which is just starting to come up. So I'm gonna probably use this whole half for one tomato plant. And then over here, I'm gonna put some more lettuce in a couple of these. And I wanna keep this going and have a salad garden all year round. That is my update for the beginning of March, the end of February, for Survival Seeds 2025. So if you're not involved in Survival Seeds 2025, I'm going to leave a link down below that is to the Survival Seeds collaboration website page that will tell you everything you need to know about getting involved. So the whole point of Survival Seeds is to get seeds out to people so that they can grow their own food, even if they can't afford to buy seeds. Survival Seeds is going to send you the seeds, and the only requirement is to put in an entry video. We won't send out the seeds until we see the entry videos, so make sure that you do it. Also, make sure that you tag the Vineyard Chicks, Lazy Days Ahead with Jesse and Lisa, and the Bushcraft family, and myself or Anne, or if you're over in the UK, Blue Self-Reliance. Tag us in your videos so we know for sure that we see them and get you shouted out for putting up a video. Thank you if you put up a video. Thank you if you're part of the collaboration. It's wonderful learning and growing with everybody. And I'm super happy and just super blessed to be part of this whole thing. And I'm very thankful for it, if I don't say that enough. Anyway. I'm going to go. I've got to get this video uploaded. Today is the deadline. It needs to be up by midnight or by 9 o'clock my time. So fingers crossed that it actually uploads properly. We'll see if it makes it up tonight or tomorrow. We'll see. Then you'll know how my upload speed went. Anyway, have yourself a fantastic day. Take very good care of yourself, and I will see you soon. Bye now.